today's video, I want to share with you an entry that has come in for my Memorydex Eyes with Memorydex spinner giveaway. It is a cute pastel pink in an unopened box that I am giving away. Let's go ahead and check to see. This entry is by Enos. And I will go ahead and put her YouTube channel link in the description area of this video. Sorry about my nails. I just had to trim off the, whatchamacallit. Anyways, yeah, so let's go ahead and see what Enos has sent. I hope that everybody is doing well. I've been busy, finishing up projects for next month and so forth. And oh, look how lovely she has wrapped this. Look at that. I love this. Thank you so much. I put all of this stuff away in a bag, and I use it for shipping stuff, of course. Make things look pretty for customers and happy mail. And oh my gosh, look, she used my paper. That pink shabby chic paper for Valentine's. Oh my goodness. And she used some dots. I love these Nouveau dots. I'm always making a purchase. I get these from the English website. And I'm always buying like dozens of those for me and my team. And oh my gosh, look at this. I bought this. I finally got it. As a matter of fact, I was working with it yesterday. Where is it? It's been put away, but yes, I absolutely love this. Remember, on one of my videos when I was opening up the Happy Meal, I was like, I need this in my life. Well, I got it. And it's so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness, which one do I want? Okay, let's look at both of them. I hope that I'm on frame. I hope that y'all can't see me because I'm wearing my pajamas. It's a Sunday morning too, me, and I'm like, oh goodness, which one do I open? Well, they both look the same. This one says hello. This one says carefree. You know what? The hello is going to be for the winner because, she may or may not know the person who wins. So let's leave the hello for the winner. Okay? Put that to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one that says carefree. Oh my gosh, look how horrible it looks. When I bruise for like ever. And you know how I mentioned in my last video, this is when I had my last surgery. They were just poking me, and my veins kept moving. They couldn't get to my vein. And look at that. Doesn't it look horrible? And look at this one. Look at that. And you know how when they put it here and they put it on it hurts. Oh my God, it stings like crazy. Ooh. I know I'm going off on tangents here, but look how she packaged it so pretty. I need to learn how to make these bows. If somebody could please do a small tutorial, just like a 5-minute sped up tutorial, whatever, and tag me on it, because I really, really love these bows, these type of bows. They're so shabby-licious. I bought tons of this type of seam binding. Okay, I got a bolt because I saw Christine from Shabby Pink House doing these. I know how to crinkle them. Okay, that's a no-brainer. I know how to do that. Okay, and I know how to change the color. I remember Amador telling us, get white, because with white you can spray it any color you want, and that was like the best advice. So that's why I got a big bolt of white. Okay, so I got the color and I got this. It's the actual bow making. Okay, it's the actual bow. Look how beautiful they look. How do you do that? This is what I want to know. So please, if somebody wants to make a tutorial on how to make this crinkle small bow by hand, no machine, by hand, okay? Please tag me on it so that I can go watch it, okay? Maybe you, Enos, maybe you could do that tutorial, please, because I just love that. And thank you so much for supporting my small business. She was a guest designer. a guest designer for March, I think, or February. Oh gosh, I forget. I've been so busy. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, hon. But I love how you matched it with the copper. And you know what? I'm gonna reuse that. Yes. So let me go ahead and do this. There, that way you don't get the glare. Okay. So now let's look at this. I love this. I just love that. Look at that. See how she did that? How do you do that? I want to learn how to do that. Look at that. It's so pretty. And she did a rosette here. Now this, oh my gosh, guys, I suck at rosettes. I try to make rosettes. Let me see if they're in here. No, they're not in here. Are they in here? No. One night, I just took to myself to make rosettes. Okay, making the rosettes. I can do the die cutting. I can even do it by hand. You know, the quarter. Okay, and then you do the fan fold and whatever, right? Now, in bringing it together, that's not a problem. I bring it together and I push it down, right? Okay. Of course, I have my little circles to hold the thing in. But somehow, they don't form, my rosettes don't form a circle. Sometimes they form a wobble. They look more oval than circular. How do you get a perfectly circled rosette? Okay, if somebody please can make a video and tag me on, just say, Sandy, this is how you get a perfect circular rosette each and every time. It has to be foolproof, or mark your video, rosette making for the dumb. Or you know how those books were, the dumb version of making a rosette. I was going to say rosette making for the dumbass. But oh well. Rated PG. Sometimes my videos are rated PG. Okay. Rosette making for the dumbass. That's a funny title. I dare somebody to use that title. Here, Sandy, you requested this. Anywho, so she went ahead and she fussy cut. She fussy cut some pieces from the collection, and look how she made it dimensional. She pop dotted them on foam, and she pop dotted this carefree banner or sentiment strip, and she put a little rosy here, and over here I don't know if you could see that, but there is a see-through sticker of a butterfly. Okay, and so she used dots here. Now I do have a question. Is this from the rolls of stickers that you get from Temu or Ali or something? Because I've bought myself the rolls, but I can't see where you peel it off, and so the last time I used the roll, I had to use the entire, because I couldn't figure out how to, cut the thing. I just couldn't see it. I couldn't see where I could peel off the sticker. So if somebody could show me that, if it's one of those, gosh, if I could show you where I have those rolls. See, like this, look. Okay. See, you could tell where I cut it. Now, where is the dang thing where I could just peel it off? I don't see it, and this lady on TikTok was doing it, and I'm like, where is it? I don't see it. Somebody show it to me, and I would just have to fussy cut and stuff, and I'm like, bother. But okay, so show me that too, please. But look, she added sparkly to her flower. And I need to get my hands on some flowers. Oh, yeah. And look how dimensional it is. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Look what she... See, there it goes again. But this time, of course, she tied it. But, oh, my gosh. Look how pretty it is. And she... Oh, hang on a second. Let me... Okay. Okay, so the video cut off. I am so sorry. I have no idea where it cut off. Okay, so like I was showing you, I went ahead and opened this up, and here, look at her envy. Look at her envelope, and she even designed it on the inside too. Isn't that awesome the way she did this? And so, yeah, thank you so much, Enos, for entering my giveaway. And yeah, y'all will see a video from me. Let's see, this giveaway is open till the 15th, so at around the 16th or the 17th, I'll be making the posting the winner video. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some things to the spinner. You know, not only will the winner be getting the the entries, because I did ask for 2, but also other things that I have around my craft room that I no longer use. And I know that the winner, you know, if you already have those items, you're not gonna offend me or anything if you go ahead and bless someone else with them, you know. So yeah, or donate them to a school or whatever, teacher, an art teacher. But yeah, thank you so very much for watching. I am so excited. I can't wait to see who wins this prize package. And so yeah, if you haven't mailed your entry to me yet, go ahead and email me so that I can give you my mailing address. And I will see y'all once again real soon. Thank you so very much for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and comment. Bye.